Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage export laws with US Customs and Border Protection step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the basics of export laws and regulations. Familiarize yourself with the Export Administration Regulations, or EAR. Determine if your goods require an export license. Identify the appropriate classifications for your products using the Commerce Control List. Consult with the Bureau of Industry and Security, or BIS, if you have questions about classification. Next, ensure you understand the destination country's import requirements. Research any embargoes or sanctions that may apply to your destination. Obtain any necessary export licenses from the BIS if required. When preparing your export shipment, gather all relevant documentation. This includes your commercial invoice, packing list, and any required licenses. File the Electronic Export Information, or EEI, through the automated export system. Make sure to file this at least 24 hours before shipping your items. Label your shipment correctly, ensuring it complies with regulations. Prepare for potential inspections by U.S. Customs and Border Protection, or CBP. Ensure all forms are accurate and complete to avoid delays. Be aware of customs duties and taxes that may affect your shipment. Establish a relationship with a reliable freight forwarder, if necessary. Stay updated on any changes in export regulations or policies. Keep thorough records of all transactions related to your export activities. This will help in the event of an audit by CBP or other authorities. Regularly review your export compliance program to ensure ongoing adherence to the laws. Engage in training for your team on export regulations and best practices. Continue to monitor for any changes in political or economic situations that may impact exports. Establish a system for communicating with your export partners about compliance requirements. By following these steps, you will be better prepared to manage export laws effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.